viewpoint of the North Korea.
Yung pinaka.
Our church member, I bring.
Observation deck.
Lapit lang pala ng North to. Ate, ayun na po. Lapit ng North to.
Yan na ba yung north? Saan?
Hindi na, hindi sa Korea.
We are now here,
Eh,
and then this is the building,
And-
and then over there is the North Korea.
North Korea. That one. How about this one, Master? This area? Part of North Korea? All of that then? Ah.
The red color.
Sana yung the red one, North Korea.
Yeah. Now we are here.
So, nandito tayo sa observatory area. Ito yung South Korea.
This river is neutral.
Yan sa North Korea.
We just 자유로워.
Yun, parte na ng North Korea yun.
Gas,
Yun,
gas.
ito yun.
This one.
Yung natanaw.
Same, buksan yun. This one. No? No pins.
Maybe there.
Ang iksi lang pala, no? 2,100 meters lang layo.
The one may North Korea, wait lang pa yun.
The telescope, you can see the person building.
Ah,
Basta lumipot.
tingnan na natin.
May baka sila.
Dito po tayo sa boundary ng North. Yan po yung North. Yan. North Korea na yan. Ito naman dito sa South. Ito. Parte pa rin ng South yan. Ayan, itong North yan. Yan, North Korea.